So today it's one of the paintings that I did live, but I'm actually if you are not following me on Facebook, so you will have that video as well. If not, I'm going to post it here, and I'm also going to conduct live sessions every Sunday on YouTube as well, so you can join me with that as well. So don't forget to subscribe if you are here for the first time. If you like my content, don't forget to hit that like button so that you get notified every time I release a video. So this is very simple, very beginner. So you must have, if you have gone through all of my content, so you will know that the videos are actually of different levels, and this one is actually on Indian postal cards. So that's what I'm collecting, most of them. Most of these paintings are actually going to end up on my website, so you can actually buy them. Bigger ones are not many, so I'm concentrating on medium or smaller size. There are different ones which are coming up, so you will get to know through this channel, or otherwise if you are following me on Facebook, you will have that option as well. So this is a simple background. I've used turquoise and hooker's green. I could have added a little bit white, but main thing is my intention was to get that dark background, or otherwise you could have used, it's raining outside, so or otherwise you can also use just a black background and do it. So you have every other option to get it, but this is a dandelion, so which is white, so I wanted black background. So that's what I'm going to use. I'm not using any other shortcuts, just a liner brush or a rigger brush, which I'm going to use that for each and every line. It might take a little bit longer, but I think to my satisfaction it works very well. If not, there are many other videos that actually have shortcuts to get the kind of effect of dandelion, so you can actually go through them as well. So once you follow this, if you want to paint any acrylic or otherwise even watercolor flowers, there are so many on my website, so look out for them. And then I'm going to list one or two the good ones that at the end of this video. Watch those ones, and then if you like more, you can actually watch more of my content as well. If you have anything that you want me to try it out on my channel, so just let me know. If not, enjoy your watching. I'll see you next time.